Good morning. We are exhausted. Absolutely exhausted. So tired. So if this is your first time tuning in, thank you for being here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you've been here the entire journey, thank you. This is day 4, RV life. We just drove Bertha, a 86 Econoline 350 that was sitting for 2 years from Hudson, New Hampshire to Dallas, Texas. And now it is parked at my friend's house in Dallas. And now we're gonna go get the rental car because I still have to drive back to Los Angeles. I'm sure something is gonna pop up, so we'll see.
And then
it's like right in the middle, right here.
And then
I just want you to go boom.
Karate chop.
Okay.
I don't know if that was your back or my back. I'm pretty sure it was mine.
It felt good.
Yeah?
But nothing cracked though. It's literally right there. Right where the bra strap is. It hurts so bad.
One other trick I know.
My back hurts from sitting and being in the car and sleeping weird, so.
So, I don't know if you're gonna actually want to record this. Lay down on this. On your stomach.
Okay.
Put that like right here on your torso.
Okay. I'm bringing you guys with me on the adventure of Leenda and DJ cracking backs. Right here?
Yeah.
Are you stepping on me?
No.
Oh, good. Because I think I would die.
I don't know why I know how to do this, but it's actually pretty amazing. Okay. Alright, so real deep breath in and then exhale all the way up. Again.
Nope. No cracker.
Nothing.
Nope.
That's weird. Let's do it one more time. I don't know. I tried. Sorry.
I've never smelt someone's carpet so many times.
I tried.
Look at Dallas, all sunny, you guys. Costco. We need a Costco in our lives. Hooked up. There's already been a little mishap with the rental. I don't have a credit card, so I couldn't go through Alamo, so I had to go through Avis, and it was like triple the amount, and then my bank rejected it because I spent too much money apparently. But they gave me this. I got a Ford Edge. Let me get out the way. Not bad. Really inside here, guys. Not too shabby. Not, oh, plenty of space. Can't wait to put my stuff in here. Ooh, okay, Deej, let's go get your car. This is Bertha. Gonna take some of my stuff out of Bertha and hit the road. Look at her. She's so pretty.
Still smells like gas.
Does it really? Holy crap.
Yeah.
And we, like...
This is definitely burned some of our brain cells.
Oh my gosh. Actually, I realized I have a little bit more things than I thought. Okay. All right, so this was our living quarters. I was sitting here. He would occasionally go there. Y'all already know the deal. Okay, let's clean her out. Such good hands that I gotta give the keys Take care of my girl.
Oh, I will. Hopefully she takes care of me.
She'll take care of you. She already did.
She has.
She already did. Aw, DJ and Bertha. Cute. Bye, Bertha. You're in good hands with this one. The journey continues now from Dallas to LA. I got the rental car, way too expensive, but whatever. I need to figure out how to cool it down in here because it is hot. Oh, pressing the AC button might help. All right, well, let's see. It's gonna be super lonely. I've only been in the car for like maybe an hour without Bertha or DJ. It's gonna be lonely. This would have been us if Bertha blew out a tire. Driving along, and I'm driving into the sunset, and it's so crazy that I'm not doing it in Bertha right now. And this drive has been so peaceful. I don't have to hear Bertha's ticking anymore, so that's really kind of sad. But yeah, I am going to be doing a recap of my total investment with Bertha from when I purchased her to little fixing and repairs, to when DJ and I were getting her cleaned up and ready to go for the road, to when we broke down and when we stopped and everything. So that way you guys have an idea of how much to anticipate if you were looking to go into the RV life. Obviously my RV is different than other ones that you may find, but I think it's actually good. I want to be able to provide some more insight and let you guys know how much I at least invested thus far, and if it's doable for you guys, and it's a lifestyle that you guys have been trying to live, why not, you know? So stay tuned for that. Obviously when I stop driving, I will put that all together for you guys so you can see it. After 24 hours of driving, I'm finally home. I have a bunch of stuff that I gotta do, but I'm gonna hop on the phone with DJ. I'm gonna see how much our trip actually cost us and let y'all know so far what the investment's been in Bertha. And look at my nasty hair. Okay, I need to like freshen up. I know we had way more receipts than this, but DJ took so many photos and I didn't even realize we made this many stops for gas. So yeah, this all adds up. Let's rack it up. So Bertha cost $500, registration, inspection, insurance. She already had a broken window I had to repair, and then overall maintenance was a little pricey. And then of course we had to do our road trip essentials, the gas to get from New Hampshire to Texas, the tow and fuel pump repair, and the deer repair. So total investment for me purchasing Bertha is roughly around $3,500, which honestly isn't even bad. But here's an update from DJ while I was out on the road.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's currently day 3 of Bertha's arrival in Dallas, Texas. As you can tell, it's a little chilly here. We definitely got some winter vibes. So I got Bertha parked here at the shop that I work at. I haven't started her since, so that's gonna be a surprise. Hopefully, fingers crossed, she starts right up. But my plan for right now is to check up on her running, of course, see if there's any leaks, which I don't see currently. That's a good sign. And see how well she runs and how well she starts up. I know towards the end of our trip, right when we passed Tennessee, we did start noticing that it was hesitating a little bit, more so on the startup than anything. It took a lot more effort to get her started and running. When she was on the road, she was fine. The only other thing that we noticed was when we would stop and shut the car off, or shut Bertha off, she would hesitate a little bit and want to try to kick back on. So I'm not sure exactly what that might be. I'm going to have a mechanic look at it and give it a diagnostic and see where we go from there. But as of right now, the other thing that I wanted to do was I do have right here my power pack and an ozone machine. And basically what that's gonna do is I'm gonna plug her in and let it sit inside there for about 30 minutes. And what this ozone machine is gonna do is basically purify the air inside of Bertha. I mean, she's got some 87 smells in there. So hopefully we can take those out, make her smell a lot better. All right, guys, just getting into Bertha here. Gonna give her first startup in 3 days. Let's see if I can set up the camera. All right, let's see what happens. Get the key in, choke up. There we go. Now pump her 3 times, pedal to the floor. Oh, she wanted to. Let's try it again. It's on. She's on and running. 3 days. So far, so good. Okay, so step 2. We got Bertha running. She's warming up right now. What we got to do is plug in this ozone machine. Hopefully this power pack, I mean, I don't think there should be a problem with that, but we're going to supply power from this power pack. And what we got to do is we got to turn the fan on, have it on recirculating, and just let it sit here for, so there's time settings on here. I think what I'm going to do is set it for 30 minutes. So we'll let that run. We'll come back in 30 minutes and see how she smells, because you can definitely tell it's a little bit musky in here. So the goal is to get rid of that musk. Also, I did spill a little bit of gasoline in the back room there. Not a lot, trust me, it's not gonna catch on fire. And it's also been 3 days, so I'm pretty sure it's evaporated by now. But I do still smell it. It's in the air, and hopefully we can get rid of that smell. Stay tuned.
And DJ is not a YouTuber and totally forgot to give me an update, so I will bug him for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. Can't wait to show you guys what we have in store moving forward. That is a wrap for Bertha's first road trip. Thank you guys so much for your support.